Welcome back, everybody. This is part 3 of 6 for how to install laminate flooring. I wanted to show everybody the real-time installation so that you wouldn't stress yourself out saying, oh my god, this is taking so long, and so on and so forth. So, in actual fact, I took my time in trying to show everyone that, this is a process and it does take time. You'll get into the groove probably halfway or three quarters of the installation, but the whole point of showing this real-time installation is that you see it does take time, and once you get a system together, then yeah, things will move along a lot faster. So thank you for watching, and I appreciate everybody leaving likes and comments and any questions. I will be more than happy to answer them, and enjoy. Thanks. Quick tip: when you're doing any cuts that are around any walls or door entries and places where there are doors or casing, keep in mind this installation is on a new build, and we don't have any frames or casing installed. So even though I don't have them installed, when it comes close to a door and stuff like that, I always keep the cuts a little bit tighter to the wall, so not so much of a big gap, making sure that the casing and the door frame will cover. If you're not doing a new build, I'll do a follow-up video on that, on how to use a jam cutter and trying to sneak your laminate floor underneath the jams themselves. So here's another tips coming soon. Stay tuned. It almost takes longer to unpackage the laminate and open up a box than it is to lathe. Once in a while, I give it a love tap. Make sure you hit the MDF, not the top finished portion, with your block. That just makes sure everything's nice and tight. Okay, this is as far as I can go because I have to start making some cuts there to finish off against the wall. You can't see it. And that's it. I always start my 5 rows, whatever, 5, 4, 6. Pre-cut everything, started on the side that I started on, and then from there, you lay just as nicely as I just did. No stress, no worries, making sure everything's nice and tight. Give it a love tap with your MDF and your little rubber mallet once in a while just to make sure, and that's it. So now I'm gonna measure all those pieces, cut them. While I'm doing that, I'll measure all those on that end, cut them, and then lay like I just did again. I just want to say thanks for watching, and I always say more to come and stuff like that, but trust me, every video in every part of this series gets better and better. So just enjoy. Thanks. So here's our progress so far. I would say pretty much 75% of it's done, if not a little bit more. A few more rolls over here, finish off the storage room, and that's it. Just have to continue the underpad, and then I'll put on the T-molds, and this room's pretty much done. It's a nice size room, nice big open. It's great. So that's how you do laminate. That's about almost 500 square feet, give or take.